Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO Reno 8T and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. First, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the privacy section. Here switch permissions to the privacy and you'll see hide apps section. Just tap on it and you'll see here all the available applications, and here we can see the section with the hidden. Now we can see here we just have no any apps, so just to hide one from these apps we should tap on the switcher. Then we should set a privacy password, so click to the settings. We can use different type of the passwords. This can be the 6 digits password, the pattern, alphanumeric password. For example, I'll use the pattern. Just push it twice, add this protect method. Here we should just select one from the security section questions and enter the password. For example, let's use the hard reset, tap to OK. Now we should set also the access code to the hide apps application option. So the access code could be just from 1 to 16 digits. So for example, in my case that will be from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK, click to done, and now we can see the switchers and the applications. We can hide them. For example, you will find them here in hidden section. Now we just can't see these applications anymore in our apps menu or on our home screen. So if you want to find them, you should just go to the hidden apps. You can do it just by click here to more icon. Oh no, so just by go to the settings, to the privacy once again, hide app, and now we should enter our privacy password. So just in my case this is the pattern. All of the hidden apps they are here, and if you want to unhide them, just click on the switchers once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.